You know, one time we went to this restaurant. I can't remember what state it was, but they said like $600 roughly, right? No, you can't remember. I don't want you going down.
Yeah.
But like I said, I can't remember what the restaurant's name was. It was a Mexican restaurant, but I had ordered like a big, I can't remember the name of it. I ordered something from there, and it was, the price was outrageous. It was like almost $97 for all of it. And my mom was like, holy moly, you ordered the most expensive thing. You know, Mary doesn't like Mexican food. But Roger's the same way. He doesn't like Asian foods. He doesn't like stuff that's from Korea, China, Japan, any of the Asian areas, or even Thailand. When your aunt made that dish, whatever it was really good. And we had that during Christmas. I thought it was really good. That's one of the most hardest stuff to do.